This is John. He is an experienced motorcycle rider. John knows that safety is important, which is why he at least wears this. And this. And of course, this. But what if you could prevent an accident altogether? Well, that's Jane. Hi, Jane. And this is Break Free. Just like John, she too is an experienced rider and she's all about safety. She knows that being visible at all times is the key. It's a smart LED light that does sophisticated things. Unlike your motorcycle's taillight, Break Free is at eye level, so all drivers can see you. It'll grow brighter to alert drivers around you when you're slowing down, no matter how, braking, downshifting, or engine braking. Turn it on and it stays on. No need to connect it with wires or use an app. And that's what Jane and riders really care about, being seen to prevent an accident in the first place. Whether you're this, or even this kind of rider, you'll still want this. This bridges the gap between safety and style. This is Break Free. A smarter way to be seen.
Camera on. Recording.
Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sena with the new 10C Pro. This is a Bluetooth headset and camera all in one. Now with a 2K action camera and Wi-Fi. Right now, I could be talking with 3 other riders and recording the video and audio of our communication, or listening to my music or my GPS. The Wi-Fi will now allow me to connect with my phone. I can easily preview the video or download and share videos while I'm still out on the road. The 10C Pro as a 4-way Bluetooth intercom headset and a camera makes it really easy to never miss a shot. Whether you're using it for your safety as a dash cam, or you're traveling, come around the corner and see something amazing you'd love to capture. Ooh, there's Mount Rushmore right there. Or maybe you're just trying to capture your buddy's wipeout, or maybe your own. Did you fall?
Yeah.
Let's head back to the office and take a closer look at the 10C Pro.
We're daredevils, but we're not naive. We know that your helmet is the single most important accessory for your riding experience. So we designed the best damn helmet in the market. The Jarvis helmet. The Jarvis helmet is made out of a lightweight aerodynamic polycarbonate carbon fiber shell with built-in wide-angle 2K front and rear cameras that offer 360-degree view and cutting-edge AR heads-up display technology. The Jarvis AR helmet connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to see incoming call notifications, road slip warning, weather notification, gas station icon, dangerous section warning, speed warning, traffic notification, and GPS navigation. I forgot to introduce our guest of honor. Hi, Alexa.
Hey, it's great to be here.
All these features and more can be controlled by voice command. Since safety is our #1 priority, the Jarvis helmet has CNS, DOT, ECE safety certifications, anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-glare visor, and 100% military-grade battery. Our state-of-art technology empowers every rider to enjoy the riding experience. And don't deny it, this is your dream helmet. Pre-order now.